Everything driving our modern economy, from the AI processing your data to the electric vehicle in your driveway, relies on invisible networks of silicon, billions of microscopic transistors firing in perfect unison. We have highly automated machines capable of printing these chips at a massive scale, but those machines cannot think for themselves. The microscopic physical blueprints they follow have to be painstakingly designed, layer by layer, by human engineers. Currently, the entire system faces a major logistical hurdle. There is a severe global shortage of specialized layout design engineers who actually know how to map out these complex circuits. As demand for smaller, faster chips continues to accelerate, the primary limiting factor for most companies is finding the human talent required to finalize these intricate blueprints. Most traditional university engineering programs are built on a foundation of theoretical electronics and advanced mathematics. They teach you how a transistor works on a chalkboard, but a simple chalkboard equation is very different from the high-stakes, practical reality of a modern semiconductor foundry. This disconnect creates a skills gap for new graduates entering the workforce. Companies need engineers who have hands-on experience routing physical designs and navigating the exact enterprise-grade software used in commercial production. This is exactly the gap Gnanodaya VLSI is built to close. It serves as a direct bridge from the university lecture hall to the industry floor. The program doesn't replace a traditional degree. Instead, it takes that raw, theoretical knowledge and translates it into the specialized, hireable expertise that managers are looking for. The core of the curriculum is built around teaching the complete physical design flow, known in the semiconductor industry as RTL to GDSI2. This flowchart outlines the entire sequence. It starts on the left with understanding RTL, or register transfer level, which is the logical code of the chip. From there, the training moves into the middle phases: synthesis, floor planning, placement, and routing. This is where abstract logic is physically translated into precise geometric shapes. Finally, the course covers the sign-off verification stages, culminating in GDSII. This is the final manufacturable file format that is sent to the fabrication plant. Because this sequence is so intricate, students spend 6 months working through hands-on projects to internalize every single step of the process. Mastering this exact chronological progression is a universal prerequisite if you want to step into a layout design role. But knowing the steps of the physical design flow is only half the equation. You have to know how to execute them using the exact software suites that major tech companies use. This curriculum grid highlights the specific electronic design automation, or EDA, partnerships utilized in the course. You are trained directly on platforms from Synopsys, Cadence, and Siemens. These are complex, enterprise-level programs. To ensure students can practice and iterate constantly outside of standard lecture hours, the Institute provides 24/7 access to these tools. Every lesson is taught by professionals with over 15 years of active industry experience, bringing current production-level insights directly to the classroom. By combining elite software access with veteran mentorship, the program functions like a simulated corporate environment, ensuring you're prepared for day one on the job. Once that training is complete, this talent is deployed directly into the centers of the tech industry. A primary destination for these graduates is Bengaluru, which operates as a global epicenter for VLSI engineering and chip design placement. Hyderabad serves as the other major hub where tech campuses are actively recruiting for specialized semiconductor roles. Gnanodaya's specific training pipeline is engineered to place students directly into the heart of these two technology sectors. Having the technical skills is only part of getting hired. You also have to prove that capability in a corporate interview setting. To support this, the program includes 100% placement assistance. Students go through rigorous mock interviews and aptitude training before graduation. The logistics are also flexible. You can join offline or online, and choose between daily schedules or weekend batches to fit your current commitments. If you want to design the hardware that powers modern devices, you can start your VLSI journey today. By aligning academic knowledge with the specific software demands of the global foundry, Gnanodaya VLSI transforms engineering graduates into day one ready chip designers.